you've just landed in China. But before the adventure begins, you'll see signs like
到达
and.
边检
Today, you won't just memorize them, you'll learn how to decode them like a real Chinese learner with pinyin, tones, radicals, and stroke order. Quick tip before we start: Chinese uses pinyin, the Latin alphabet, to show pronunciation, but tones change meaning. For example,
妈马马妈
let's lock in those tones with the quick drill. Are you ready to repeat?
妈马马妈
Great! Now you're ready. Let's start with
到达
to arrive. Listen to the tones.
到
It uses the fourth tone, that sharp, falling sound we practiced. Just like.
妈
Now, the second character is.
达
It uses the second tone, the rising one, like.
麻
Now together.
到达
Your turn. Excellent. Now, let's see how it's written. First,
到
look at the character. Can you see it's made of two main parts in the left?
至
By itself means to arrive, or the utmost. On the right,
刀
the knife radical often relates to cutting or actions. Now,
达
it also has two parts. Its right part is.
大
It means big, a big achievement to arrive. Its left part is.
绰
It means walk or movement. So,
大
gives us the sound, whereas
绰
provides meaning related to movement or path. Let us see the whole characters written again. Pause the video and practice writing. Remember 3 golden rules. 1. Left to right 2. Top to bottom 3. Inside before outside. Follow the stroke order you saw. After following the
到达
signs, you'll head to
边检
border control. Listen
边
is the first tone, high and flat, like.
妈
Now,
检
it uses the third tone, the low dipping one, like.
马
Now together.
边检
Now your turn. Excellent. Now let us see how the characters are written. First,
边
it means border and has the
立
on its right hand side, which means force, a distant, fortified edge. On its left hand side, it has the radical,
绰
which means walk or movement. Next,
检
means to inspect. The
木
radical, which means wood and hints at ancient records on wooden slips. And the right hand side
签
suggests togetherness and inspection is a group effort. Let us see the 2 whole characters written.
边检
Pause again and practice writing. Notice the wood radical on the left of.
签 飞机已经到达北京
The plane has already arrived in Beijing.
请问入境到达大厅在哪里
Excuse me, where is the arrivals hall?
请到边检柜台
Please go to the immigration counter.
请问入境边检在哪里
Excuse me, where is the immigration checkpoint? In the next video, we'll grab your luggage and clear customs. So subscribe and hit the bell to master.
行李
And,
海关
as soon as it drops,